Hi friends, welcome back in this series of neural network and deep learning. So today we will see how to print hello world using TensorFlow. So as you know that what is TensorFlow? So TensorFlow is an open source deep learning framework developed by Google Brain. It provides comprehensive ecosystem of tools and libraries for building and deploying machine learning and deep learning model at a large scale. It is also used with Keras as a backend. So first we will import the TensorFlow, import TensorFlow as TF. So this is the version we have got. So create a tensor. So basically tensor is nothing but a multi-dimensional array of element of single data type, right? Then we create a tensor hello equals to tf dot constant hello world. Then finally we print it. So tf dot print hello. So tf basically is instance for TensorFlow, and here we printed it. And now we can define the shape. So first we are using hello2 tf dot constant hello world shape 6/2, right? And if you print the shape, so you got the hello words here. So yeah, this was all about this video. Thanks, stay tuned, all the best. We'll meet in the next video very soon. Have a good time.